Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulat ka Jylla UCH Vijay Shankar hne kasngi ula shapan ko buram daga Kaveri Prashasti Award ha u Dr. Sri Sri Trinetra Mahanta Shiva Yogi Swamiji unong yalam niam jongka Sri Durdan Deswara Mahanta Shiva Yogi Mat Kamadhya District bat ka Sri DMS Chandravana Ashrama kabadan hajan kawa Kaveri Hasri Rangga Patna Karnataka hakane kasni ladon ringkat lang nadu menteri rangba ka Jylla Konrad Sangma usembut menteri rangba uba Prestun Tensong menteri ka Sarkar Jylla Umar Cruz and Marak Chief Secretary Dr. Sakil P Ahmed ringkat ki officer bat ki bashakhot ngobha Kane ka khusnam ka long shibanta ka jing itho ka jing trai shitom ulat ka Jylla ha ka jing Shakri ya Paidbah ha kini kisnam ki baladep habakran ha kane kisni ulat ka Jylla ulapan paw ka jing sngongu shau Swamiji halor kane ka jing itho bakar pang ya ulaban rap da ka baong baga Kaveri Prashasti Award ka don ya ka jing mut ka bakraw kane ka khusnam ka penken maw yangi ban trai nak benta ka jing bha bat ban Shakri ya Paidbah haman ka benta jong ka jing im jongi Shu uloong bakani ka khusnam kam day tang ka jong hindre ka day jong ka Jylla Meghalaya hi baro kawai Menteri rangba ka Jylla Konrad ke Sangma ha ka jing kren jong ula ai ka jing khoble ya ulat ka Jylla halor kani ka buram ka bakraw da ka baong bakani ka jing ithu kan penchlur ya ki babun khamtam ki tu ki batre ha ka jing elam Paidbah
Om Shanti 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 Shubhaya Shwanaya Kurmane Kamel Kamal Kama Kamaya Vaishtam Kameshwara Vaishvana Dada Tado Veda Hamratena Rutamare Tasmehi Brahmata Brahmacha Ayashkirtim Rajam Tuduho Om Raghe Samel Kamal Kama Kamaya Vaishtam Kameshwara Vaishvana
Respect to honor
Yo Vaita
one of the cabinet colleagues and
Dirghamayo Trigalastagaya Trigalaktigalaya Galaktirudraya Neelakantaya Mrityunjaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shankaraya Srimanmahadevaya Namaha
आपके सभी सदस्यों को
नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः ईश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय महादेवाय नमः
Om Shanti 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 Shubham Karota Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadam Shatrabuddhi Vinashaya Deepalakshmi Namostute Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Deve Deepalakshmi.
This occasion is very unique occasion to conferring this very prestigious Kaveri Prashasti Award to our Honorable His Excellency Sri C.H. Vijay Shankar sir. So on this occasion, first of all, I welcome in our midst His Holiness Swamiji, who is spared his time and along with his team, as in due to unavoidable circumstances, some health restriction, Honorable Governor could not make a personal visit, and Swamiji himself stopped him, please don't come, don't take any challenge to come, and on cost of your health, we will come to confer this award in our Raj Bhavan. So we are on behalf of Raj Bhavan, we welcome you all the team members for your gracious presence.
It gives me immense joy to join this august gathering on the occasion of the Kaveri Prashasti Award ceremony. I, on behalf of the people of our state, would like to extend my warmest congratulations to our Honorable Governor, Shri C.H. Vijay Shankarji, on being conferred with the prestigious Kaveri Prashasti Award today. This recognition is a reflection of his decades of dedicated public service, his humility and deep commitment to the welfare of the people. His life and leadership continue to inspire all of us who are in public life to serve with sincerity and with compassion. I also express my deep reverence to His Holiness Swamiji, whose tireless work in the field of education, health, environment, and spiritual upliftment has been a beacon of light for countless followers across the country. His message of peace, service, and harmony resonates deeply with the values that define our society. The Kaveri Prashasti Award holds a profound symbolism. Just as the sacred river Kaveri gives life to millions, nourishing fields, sustaining communities, and symbolizing purity and generosity, this award reminds us of the need to nurture our people and environment with the same spirit of selfless giving. Meghalaya lies far from the banks of the Kaveri, but the essence of her flow can be felt in our own rivers. The Ungot, Umiam, Mintudu, and so many others, which sustain our land and reflect our bond with nature. Across our nation, every river carries the same divine message: to give more than we take, to serve without expectation, and to live in harmony with all creation. Friends, as we gather today, let this event remind us that true greatness lies not in position or power, but in service to others, in giving, guiding, and growing together as one community and one nation. ये हमारा सौभाग्य है। चाहता हूं कि Meghalaya is blessed to have a governor like you. I had opportunities to work in different positions with different people. लेकिन जिस ह्यूमिलिटी से आपने अपना काम और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपने निभाया, मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस में हर छोटी चीज में आपने ध्यान दिया। जहां आपकी ध्यान की जरूरत भी नहीं थी, वहां भी आपने ध्यान दिया। जो आपका पोजीशन था और है, उस पोजीशन में आपको कभी नीचे, पीछे, आगे, ऊपर क्या हो रहा है आपको देखना नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन आपने देखा, आपने समझा और समझ के जो स्टेट के लिए और स्टेट के लोगों के लिए जो अच्छा है उसे आगे रख के आपने हर चीज में आपने निर्णय लिया। ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ रहा है। और जैसे मैंने कहा, हर लेवल के आदमी के साथ ये भी मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है। आप सभी को सम्मान देके आप काम करते हैं। कभी आपने ये मुख्यमंत्री है, इनके लिए अलग इनके लिए लेवल होना चाहिए, या अलग इनके लिए हमें अलग प्रोग्राम बनाना चाहिए, और ये कॉमन आदमी है, इनके लिए अलग, आपने ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा।
His Holiness Sri Sri Trinetra Mahanta Yogi Swamiji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad K. Sangmaji, our Deputy Chief Minister, respected ministers, senior officers, including our Chief Secretary of the State, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply honored and humbled to receive Kaveri Prashasti Award here at Rajbhavan, Shillong. This is a very special moment for me, and I accept this honor with heartfelt of gratitude. I offer my respectful pranams to His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Trinetra Mahanta Yogi Swamiji. His life of service, compassion and spiritual guidance has touched the thousands of lives across the country. His work in education, health, environment and peace building is a true example of how faith and action can come together for the good of society. The Kaveri Prashasti Award carries a deep and beautiful meaning. The river Kaveri has been a source of life and inspiration of centuries. It provides water and energy, supports the nature and wildlife, and continues to be the worshipped as a symbol of purity and giving. Like the river, this award reminds us that we must also strive to serve selflessly and bring goodness wherever we can. I am truly grateful to this honor comes from such a sacred institution, the Chandran Ashram, which continues to spread the message of peace, love and sustainable living. That too, this award, I was supposed to take it in Mandya district, Srirampuram Taluk, where actually ashram is functioning. I think it is also grace of the God, I think. Instead of I go and receive this award, you say I am able to take this award in the state of Meghalaya, where I am working as a governor. In fact, I won't think this award is being given to me. It is given to the whole of Meghalaya. And moreover, I never receive any awards. I never accept any awards. I won't go and attend any such programs wherein we feel some award is going to be given to we people. For your information, I am telling, this is the first award out of my 69 years. This is the first time I am going to receive, and I am going to have it in my lifetime. Only because of the relationship between Swamiji and myself, I have been accepted this award. Otherwise, usually I keep away from such awards. Because sometimes it's a take away we people from the practical life, practical thinking. and way of living is mesmerized. We feel we are something great. That feeling under any circumstances should not come to the mind of anybody. Mind of anybody. So in that way, this first award, Swamiji, I am going to receive in my lifetime. Though we are far from the banks of Kaveri, the spirit of her flow is alive here in Meghalaya too, in our clean rivers, green hills, and simple way of life that respects nature and community. Whereas this issue comes of Meghalaya, Swamiji, I am proud to be here. Whereas this state is being considered as a female-dominated state. Female-dominated state. Whereas in case of our state and rest of the other part of Meghalaya, whereas girls get marry a boy, girl is supposed to come to boy's house. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, it's not like that. Boy is coming to girl's house and is supposed to stay there. That is a tradition we can see here. In case of ancestors' property, in our state, I am the first son in the family. Naturally, the ancestors' property right, it comes to me in my state. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, it's not like that. The ancestors' property right, ultimately it goes to the youngest daughter of the family. Youngest daughter of the family. It is a female-dominated society. And particularly, Swamiji, you are running Ayurveda college in your ashram. For your information, I am telling you, it is a land of Ayurveda. Meghalaya is being treated as land of Ayurveda. Land of medicinal plants. Land of medicinal plants. It is not only land of medicinal plants. This land is being treated as a heaven. Meghalaya in the sense, this land is being treated as a heaven. Such a wonderful tradition and wonderful background is there. And whereas here, 70% of the land, you can see forest. 70% of the overall Meghalaya, you can see the forest. And if at all you are able to get pure water and pure air, anywhere in any part of the country, in that way also first place goes to Meghalaya. Pure air and pure water. But I pray God, I pray Almighty, this traditional background, spiritual background, cultural background, and ecological background, let it remain forever in Meghalaya. And we have to pass on this to the coming generation. We have to pass on this to the coming generation. In that way, our responsibility is so high. We have to think in that way. There are many challenges right now before the state of Meghalaya.